パグリーンナンバーワンロッキンローラーマザーファッカー。Back at it again with getting stuck in the tree.
I've been down so long it look like they look up to me. I got fake people showing fake love to me. Straight up to my face. Straight up to my face. I've been down so long it look like up to me. They look up to me. I got fake people showing fake love to me. Straight up to my face. Straight up to my face. Something ain't right when we talking. Look like you out of your problems. Really, you never was solid. No, you can't son me. You won't ever get to run me. Just when shit look, gotta reach out, reach back like 1-3, like 1-3. Yeah. That's when they smile in my face. Whole time they wanna take my place. Whole time they wanna take my place. Whole time they wanna take my place. Yeah, I know they wanna take my place. That's when they smile in my face. Whole time they wanna take my place. Whole time they wanna take my place. Whole time they wanna take my place. Yeah, I know they wanna take my place. I can tell that love is fake. I don't trust the way you say. How you gonna click up after your mistakes? Look you in the face and this is not the same. I've been down so long it look like up to me. They look up to me. I got fake people showing fake love to me. Straight up to my face. Straight up to my face. I've been down so long it look like up to me. They look up to me. I got fake people showing fake love to me. Straight up to my face. Straight up to my face.
Got ya. Whew. Don't know what I did there, fam. Flipped the throttle to the fucking tree. But wow, done. But check this out. Look what I found. Hold up. Just gonna unplug the drone. Check out what I found, fam. I'll see if I can climb down with one hand. Climbing down. Climbing. I'm getting caught on all these branches, fam. Fuck, the t-shirt got caught. Leg got caught, cut leg. Got good old cut leg. Anyway, how have you been? Have you guys been flying? Sorry about all the gaming uploads, but it's my channel. Hope you like them. Drop a comment, fam, if you watched them. Thinking about playing Armored Core 6 next. But up to suggestion. Anyway, fam, look what we found. Found this bird that fucking like fell down, bro. Pretty fucking sad. I wonder what happened to him. Pretty buzzy, eh? Fuck, that's pretty buzzy, eh? Very sad. Crazy. I've never seen anything like that, fam. Bird got stuck in the tree. Fuck, it actually like... It's kind of what my drone's like all the time. Well, anyway. Have a good day. Better than his.